of these broken part here, so right here, you see. And so you see, this bitch, it busted. Can you tell? Let me show you. Look, you can see the hole right here. Gaping hole. Look at the flashlight down there. Actually, I'm going to shine the flashlight right there. You see the gaping hole there? That's where the gushing waters came from, my friends. Look at all that dirty food on here. Look. How fucking gross, dude. Barf. Look at this dirty shit. Dirty food. Nasty. I guess while I got it open, I should look inside and see if it's all clear and under control. It appears to be, Sedge. Sedge. Let me shine a lot of light in there, man. Oh, I can't fucking see. Yes, you can, bitch. There it is. And maybe there's empty. Is it? Mm-hmm. It looks pretty good. Okay. Anyhow, there's the inside of the dishwasher, you see. That's the inside. Look at this. That's the in there. That's the inside of there. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to go put the new piece on. Here's the new one. If you can even see it. Where's that flashlight at? I don't fucking know. Well, I have one on my head, but there's a new bad boy. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. It's a new one. I don't like these fucking silver things right here. I don't like these. They are fucking so easy to overscrew. You screw it too hard and the motherfucker will penetrate the goddamn silicone. You know, so I put a piece, for anybody out there that wants to redo their dishwasher or needs to put new parts in, you know, try this alien shield shit. I just tied, you know, I just put it around, I didn't tie it, but I put it around the lip of the thing underneath of that and underneath of this because it's very easy to overdo it with the twisting. So you want to be careful. Anyways. Okay, now a moment of truth. We're going to find out what, if I put it back together right or if I put it together at all right. I shouldn't have gotten more money than the girl that got raped. They could have still called the cops and split the money and not told them anything.